Hey gang, Poppy here. Caffeine and BS for August 17th. Here's the caffeine. It's freaking hot. The swamp's broken down, been broken down for 2 days. Landlord don't answer the phone. The real estate agent who's supposed to handle everything ignored us until my wife threatened to withhold rent payment and send in lieu of such a letter explaining why he should fire the real estate agent. She showed up with her idiot maintenance guy. It looks like he uses and is using currently at this exact moment better drugs than I ever did. I almost want to say, hey man, share the wealth. But, I don't do that stuff. Here it is. Since I got my haircut, I've been having to use this to keep, right? Because it goes on. Looks like Larry Fine almost, except it's not as curly. And I have more on top. Anyway, I'm sorry, Emma, and all my friends down under. All my friends down under. I had to use this stuff to get some use out of it. I mean, in Australia, they care about people's health and the environment. So this stuff can't torch a black widow with it. No good for redback spiders, I guess. And can't kill ants with it. Spray this stuff on an ant trail. Saturate them with it. They wander around like they're stoned. That's it. I mean, with canola oil cooking spray, I spray that on ants, bang, dead. Leave it there an hour or so, let more of the colony come walking in. When they stop coming, then I'll wipe it up. And look for the new highway heading for the sink, because they want water. And ain't no water. It's, there's no water, and there's no one gardening around here. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. There's no one gardening around here, so there's no one irrigating. Hi, this is Caffeine BS, August 17th. B. I was talking about how this stuff is safe for the environment. It won't burn, won't kill ants. You want to kill ants? There it is. The brand name is not important. It's got to be over here. Got to be cheap. Rapeseed oil. In America, they spell Canola, but that's rapeseed oil. Ask Keith Appleton. In America, they spell rapeseed, Canola. You want to kill ants? You don't want to spray black flag all over the kitchen? This stuff kills them on contact. And the ones after them stupid enough to walk into it, they get caught and they die too. I've had entire Queen Elate migrations coming through, just stopping for water on the way out. Well, they got canola oil. Someone tell Ants Canada to watch this. Tell him to send me his address so I can send him a case of this stuff. I don't keep ants in the house as pets. I kill ants in the house. Good night. Caffeine BS, August 17th. C. Uh, they talk about how canola oil is so healthy for you. It's supposed to be the healthiest or one of the healthiest cooking oils. As nasty as that stuff is, no one can eat it. That's why it's healthy. No one will eat stuff cooked in it. I mean, I'm not going to name no names, but back in the early 70s, there were women in movies of very low moral character fry up some of their panties. That's what this stuff smells like when it's cooking and puts that taste to the food. Ah. Ugh. You can't eat the stuff cooked in it. That's why it's so healthy for you. Yeah. It's you guys are cooking your eggs with ant poison. Uh, there you go. Bang. Ant poison. Now this is it for tonight.